of what we have done in previous class. We have seen just electricity, like electricity which can produce heating effect, it can also produce magnetic effect. So one experiment was there, a wire was there, and a compass needle was placed near a current, long straight conductor through which the current was flowing, and we can see when current is flowing there is deflection in compass needle, which shows that the magnetic field is set up because of the electric current. Then magnetic field and field lines. So around a bar magnet or any magnet, there are magnetic field lines. This magnetic field lines actually shows the influence of magnetic field or how much magnetic field is spread. So two activities we have seen. Some iron fillings were taken and bar magnet was taken, and we can see that these iron fillings will align themselves around the bar magnet in this way. This is actually the shape of magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines can also be plotted using a compass needle and a bar magnet on a white paper. If we place a bar magnet and we take a compass needle and we every time we note down the north and south direction of the compass needle, we can plot this lines, this magnetic field lines. Then after that we have seen magnetic field lines. They has both direction and magnitude. Direction of magnetic field is taken to be direction in which north pole of compass needle moves inside it. So by convention, field line from north pole and merge at south pole. So magnetic field lines always start from north pole and end at south pole. In this, field lines are actually closed curve. Closed curve means outside we can see this way, and inside the bar magnet also these lines move, they move from south to north pole. Okay, the strength of magnetic field is maximum at the poles, that here, and is minimum apart from the poles, or minimum at the distance from the poles. Okay, then today we are going to see magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Okay, so we have seen that electric current through a metallic conductor produces magnetic field around it. In order to find the direction of magnetic field, let us repeat the activity. So one activity is given. Take a long straight copper wire, 2-3 cells of 1.5 volt, plug key, connect all of them in series as shown in the figure. Okay, so basically battery 1.5 volt are taken, key is taken, and metallic conductor is taken, current conductor. Okay. So long straight copper wire is taken, which will act as a conductor. Okay, so when this key is plugged, plug the key means circuit close हो गया. Okay, then what we will observe? We'll observe that direction of deflection of north pole. We'll see that जो compass needle अगर ऐसे पड़ी थी, ऐसे शो कर रही थी north, this is north and this is south pole of compass needle, तो जैसे ही current flow होगा, it will show deflection. Okay, so that means because of the current there is a magnetic field around the conductor. Okay, now observe the direction of deflection of north pole of the needle. If current flows from north to south as shown in the figure, the north pole of the compass needle would move towards east. Replace the cell connection. First क्या कर रहे हैं हम, ये तीनों सेल्स कनेक्ट किए, प्लग की लगाया एंड कंडक्टर लिया. ठीक है, इस कंडक्टर के नीचे ये कंपास निडल है. जब ये पूरा सर्किट क्लोज हो जाएगा तो वी कैन सी देयर इज डिफ्लेक्शन इन द कंपास निडल. सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या करेंगे, ये बैटरी जो लगी है इसका पहले पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इधर था, अब पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल दूसरी साइड है, इधर नेगेटिव टर्मिनल हो जाएगा. ऐसे कनेक्ट कर देंगे. ऐसे कनेक्ट करने के कारण करंट दूसरी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा. तो पहले जो कंपास निडल ऐसे से ऐसे डिफ्लेक्शन शो कर रही थी, वो कंपास निडल अब डिफ्लेक्शन ऐसे शो करने लगेगी. So it is written that replace the cell connection in the circuit as shown in the figure. This would result in the change in the direction of current through the copper wire, that is from south to north. Observe the change in the direction of deflection of the needle. You will see that now the needle moves in opposite direction. Okay, it means that direction of magnetic field produced by electric current is also reversed. So what we can say from this experiment is, when current was flowing in this way, there was deflection in the field in certain direction in compass needle, and when current is flowing in this way, the deflection of needle is in another direction. That means magnetic field, direction of magnetic current or direction of magnetic field also changes when direction of electric current changes. This is the conclusion. Okay, so direction of magnetic field which is produced due to the current also changes when electric current is reversed. If this experiment is clear, please type Y in the chat box. They have written this. Okay, so what determines the pattern of magnetic field generated by current through a conductor? It depends upon the shape of the conductor. So one activity is given. Take a battery, a resistance, a meter, plug key and long straight thick copper wire. Insert the thick wire through the center, normal to the plane of rectangular cardboard. Take care that cardboard is fixed and does not slide up and down. So basically a circuit is made this way. Okay, एक variable resistance है, a meter है, okay, a battery is there, a key is there, and a cardboard is fixed here this way such that this wire is perpendicular to the plane of this cardboard. Okay, you have to just imagine this. Okay, now sprinkle some iron fillings uniformly on the cardboard. Here what some iron fillings are sprinkled on this cardboard. Okay, keep the variable of the rheostat at fixed position and note the current through the ammeter. Close the key so that current flows through the wire. And now this key is closed so that current starts flowing through the wire. Okay, gently tap the cardboard few times. Tap the cardboard means उसको हल्का सा थपथपाना है. ठीक है, तो उससे क्या होगा कि ये आयरन फिलिंग्स जो है वो अपने आप को ऐसे अलाइन कर लेगी सर्कल्स में. ये आयरन फिलिंग्स का ये फिगर दे रखा है, एक्चुअल फिगर. ठीक है, ये कॉपर वायर उसके प्लेन से ऐसे निकल रहा है, मतलब ऊपर से जा रहा है और नीचे की तरफ नीचे से निकल रहा है वापस. बेसिकली यहाँ छेद कर रखा है कार्डबोर्ड में. ओके, और ये आयरन फिलिंग्स अपने आप को ऐसे इसके आसपास ऐसे अलाइन कर लेंगी. तो क्लोज द की so that current flows the wire. Ensure that copper wire placed between the points X and Y remains vertically straight and copper wire remains vertically straight. ऐसा रखना है. Gently tap the cardboard a few times. Observe the pattern of iron filling. You would find that iron fillings align themselves as shown in the pattern of concentric circles. What does this concentric circles represent? They represent magnetic field lines. How can the direction of magnetic field be found? किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है तो वहां पे कंपास रखेंगे. ठीक है, कंपास नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन जो भी दिखाएगा that is actually direction of the magnetic field. Okay, place the compass at that point. Observe the direction of the needle. The direction of the north pole of the compass needle will give the direction of field line. Okay, so produced by the electric current through a straight wire. Show the direction by the arrow. Does the direction of magnetic field lines get reversed if direction of current through straight copper wire is reversed? अब यहाँ पे okay, this is the experiment actually. Okay, so here magnetic field lines are drawn and direction of magnetic field at any point can be shown by compass needle. Okay, so this compass needle जिस direction में north दिखाएगा that is actually direction of magnetic field. Okay, so or in fact actually if direction of battery is changed, the direction of magnetic field will also change. Okay, so what happens to the deflection of compass needle placed at a given point if current is changed? So basically यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, आप बहुत सारी variations करेंगे. अगर resistance कम करेंगे, if resistance is decreased, current through this wire will increase. Okay, तो जब हम करंट इंक्रीज करेंगे तो जो कंपास निडल होगा उसमें ज्यादा डिफ्लेक्शन होगा, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्गर द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, स्ट्रॉन्गर विल बी द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके. And so it is given, in fact, if current is increased, deflection also increase. This you can underline, deflection also. It indicates that the magnitude of magnetic field produced at a given point increases as current through the wire increases. Okay. And secondly, deflection if it is moved away from copper wire. अब कॉपर वायर के पास में अगर निडल रखेंगे और कॉपर वायर के दूर अगर निडल रखेंगे तो दोनों के डिफ्लेक्शन में भी डिफरेंस होगा. दिस शोज दैट फील्ड इज स्ट्रॉन्गर नियर कॉपर वायर एंड एज वी मूव अवे फ्रॉम कॉपर वायर द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फील्ड डिक्रीजेस. ओके. सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड by a given current in a conductor decreases as the distance from it increases. Okay. So this is what the conclusion of this activity. Okay. Okay. Can everybody see me? Am I visible to everybody? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my right hand or left hand?
Right hand.
राइट हैंड.
सबको ये राइट हैंड ही दिख रहा है?
यस मैम, हमारी तरफ से.
हाँ.
मैम
मैम
हम देख
आपका
रहे हैं
राइट हैंड है लेकिन
है.
हमारी
मैम आपका
तरफ से
राइट है,
left hand.
हमको लेफ्ट है.
Okay, आपको लेफ्ट दिख रहा है तो आई विल 1 minute. So here you have to underline this. Okay. Right hand thumb rule says that a straight current, if we are holding current carrying straight conductor in our right hand such that the thumb point towards the direction of current, then the fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of field lines of magnetic field. Okay. So this is all about this.